We back. We made a lot of progress over the last couple of days, and now we're going to make some more progress. I've got my can of mother. My throat is a little bit sore from talking shit for the last fucking week, but we're going to soldier on. Let's get it. So, go back to the old to-do list. Let's give it a little bit of an edit. So we got this kind of done. Oh, we're working on that. Display a battle in a nice way and allow a user to join a battle. So we've got that bit working. That's good. The next will be allow host to start a battle. What else? If you're new here, which you definitely are because there's like one person who knows about this stream, spending the next 6 months spending the next 6 months working on my own stuff. I quit my job a couple of weeks ago. I'm going to stream every business day from here until the end of 6 months, and hopefully I have some sort of plan at the end of that, but we shall see. So we're just building an NFT battling app at the moment. It's called the Official Crypto Trading Card Game. I've got a mate who's like running the Discord server with lots of people in it, which is separate to my Discord server. If you want to get involved, feel free to jump in. But anyway, without further ado, let's get cracking. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see develop. So it's just a React app with a running on Solidity smart contracts, and we're currently just running locally, but we're going to deploy it to the Polygon chain or Matic. Let's recompile our contracts. Man, it's actually fucking hard to talk for like 5 hours a day, back to back to back. It actually takes a toll on your on your throat. I didn't even realize it would. But I guess that's the price you pay for talking shit. So just migrating our contracts. It should already be there, but just migrate it anyway because better safe than sorry. Replacing migrations. And it's Friday. This week has actually flown past. Cool. That's that. So we've got our backend going. So let's just jump over to app, start that up. We'll squeeze in the old browserino. Hopefully we can get heaps done this afternoon. It'd be fucking sick as if this week we tied up all the battle creation and joining functionality. Alright, so this is what we've got. Don't judge the UI, it's just a very bare bones trying to get the functionality built. Not worrying too much about it. So let's mint 5 cards. So you can't see, but it's opened my MetaMask wallet. I have to reset it because the new contracts have a different hash, so it doesn't know what it's talking about. Settings, advanced, reset account. Let's try that again. MetaMask is loading. Estimated gas 0.003 ETH. Confirm. Bang, so we should have 5 new cards now. Fresh cards. I might mint 5 more. Just to, so we can see more of the scrolling. Boom. It's good to see they're loaded. I was going to say, so this is our cards. Alright, let's create a battle. Create battle, and let's battle card. Let's battle this card. 10. Token ID, and we'll say we want it to go up 2%. Create. MetaMask opens again. Yeah. Okay, so we can see we've got a battle now where the status is waiting for challenger. Battle ID, host token ID 10, and price movement is positive 2%. So we'll click join battle. So this is the same interface essentially. So let's battle card number 1, and we'll say down 2%. Join. Okay, so now that there is, I need to get some more information on the app side. So we've got the host battle information. So what's this? This is the battle list, and this is a battle item. So then we should have just gonna copy and paste these bad boys. Status, waiting for host. I might, this bit up here, this line, this could be better if it was just one line in a battle item. So I might do that actually. But I'm not going to do that yet. Challenger, token ID, challenger, price movement, post price movement, rename some of these things. Challenger. Challenger token ID. How do you best display percentages that are, do you say negative 2%? 2%, 5%. Oh, I've got it fucking backwards. I'm an idiot. I am actually stupid. Oh, there's too many. Nice. Zoom in a little bit. Does that make this look completely fucked now? Battle, mint. Let's change this to I mean, these are the same components. I really should just be making a new component for both of these. But for the time being, just gonna leave it. Host. Challenger. Class name equals, let's just give it pad me as a class. Actually, no, let's not do that, looks shit. So what do we need? We've got the token IDs. Should we get token name? Actually, that doesn't really matter. We can worry about what's displayed on these battle pages later. Let's see if we wrap this in a H1. Does it look terrible? That's pretty terrible. Yeah, that's not terrible. I don't hate that. Let's do that for the time being. H3. Gonna close that H3 tag. Actually, nah, that's just breaking the design pattern so far. And when I say design pattern, I mean the fucking terrible anti-patterns that I'm following. Host, challenger. We said we wanted to make a banner at the top. This is currently flex row. Battle item. Div. Let's chuck in all the divs. This would be battle status stuff. And in this div, battle status. God, there's so many divs, it's making me cringe a little. So we want that to be in the weird battle status. Div. We want that to be in this. Oops, class name. So we've got those two. We want this to be flex column, space around center, battle status, that's better. Better-ish. Probably don't want padding on the top one. Actually, yes, we do. We definitely do. Battle ID. Battle 1. Status. Battle. Hang on. We want get. No, wait. Battle status to string, I think it was called. Battle status to string. Battle dot status. Waiting for host. Why is the height so big? Let's change the height of the battle item. It's just a little bit fucking big, isn't it? Just a little bit big. Oh, but if we do put pictures in, what if we chuck a picture in? Nah, let's fucking worry about that later. Fuck it. We probably want to do like... what do we want to do? Let's change the battle items height. Minimum height 200 pixels. Maybe we don't want it to be in the center. It's a bit ugly, hey. Okay, let's go back. Let's do what we initially had. Delete the additives. I think that's better. What do you reckon? Is that better, having 3 columns? Battle... Status, waiting for host. So if I click, let's create another battle and see what this looks like. MetaMask pops up. Confirm. Battle 2, waiting for challenger. Kind of a bit we need to make these have fixed width, each of these parts. Man, this app's gonna need so much refactoring. It's like ridiculous. Let's get the indentation happening. Oh, if we do class name on all these and chuck in fill width, it should just fill it. Yeah. So it's filling it, and then we just probably want to center all the text in it. So we want that to be, we want flex center space around center. Will that be cool? Status. The main axis will be center, and we want them to be aligned in the center. What if I do text align? Does that... Oh, okay. But then they're just kind of like offset in a weird way. Host. It's not very readable. Join battle. Oh, actually, let's chuck status in its own column. Now we're talking. Now we're fucking talking. Waiting for host. And then, so that's mapping. So that's giving us a battle item. This is what we have. I suppose that's okay. All right, let's add in a button now that if you're the host, you can start the battle or decline it. We want to be able to start or decline. So that's going to be in a battle item. If it's waiting for host, challenger, waiting for host. How do we best display this? Can someone help me decide how to best display this? So at this point, there's a host who's created the terms, a challenger who said, "Hey, this is what I challenge. This is what I'll battle you with." Then we need the host to be able to be like, all right, accept or reject. Where should that be? Where should the accept and the reject be? Maybe we'll just add another div at the end that's accept or reject. Let's do that. So we'll have a div that is accept, and another div that is reject. Start battle. Class name equals fill width. Start battle, reject. Accept terms. Accept, reject. I think that's better. We also want to be flex center, space around center. Wait, hang on, sorry. Space around center. Fill height. Ew. That's terrible. Alright, maybe not. Let's do... Maybe we'll just pad. Yeah, that's actually a lot better. And let's just make, I don't like how we're doing this, but we're going to do it anyway. We're also going to make the theme for, and so what do we have? Card, start, card, end. We want battle item. So I'm just gonna make some CSS classes real quick. Battle item controls. Oh, hang on. What about accept battle item? Oh, these class names get too big. Accept. Reject. Color will be green, like this ridiculous green, and reject will be red, this really silly red. Accept. Reject. Accept, reject. And that is, we only want to show wait, let's also do a hover class for accept. Hover. What does this look like? Yeah, that's good. And a reject hover. And we'll just make that like a darker red. Okay, that's okay. Now we're getting somewhere. And we only want to we should probably only show this section if you're the owner. So how do we do that? Do we have host ID? We would. Host ID would definitely be part of this contract. New battle.host. Yep. So if battle.host equals okay, so what about battle.host is equal to Drizzle state dot accounts actually let's console log some shit. Console log, we want Drizzle state and we want the battle to be logged. We don't have Drizzle state in the battle item or battles. So battle list. Let's chuck it in. Drizzle equals Drizzle state equals Drizzle state. So that's in battle list. Let's pull it out. Drizzle state. And we'll chuck that into Drizzle state equals Drizzle state. Battle item has Drizzle and Drizzle state. So what we want to check, we want to just see what we have to compare to make sure we only show these controls for the person who created it. So the account we have is 0x28 and the battle 0x28. Yeah, so I was right. We want to only show that this is in battle item still. I can't even battle item. So maybe I make a function that takes Drizzle state. I might do that. That might be handy. const is battle owner is battle host equals, oh sorry, const is battle host equals that. It's going to take, but it's going to take just the battle and then also Drizzle state, and it's going to return battle dot host is equal to Drizzle state dot accounts 0. If it's true, I mean, return true, otherwise return false. And then we also probably want to do is battle challenger. It's going to take battle, Drizzle state, challenger. I think that exists. Challenger, it does. So let's try this out. Where's that battle item? Is battle host battle and Drizzle state. I mean, I suppose there's no way to test that this works. Wait, all right, let's invert the logic. And that'll tell us. So if it doesn't equal host, yeah, cool. That I'll show you. So that's with the inverted logic. If I change it back to the regular logic, which is just checking to make sure that you are the host, bang. Cool. So only the host can accept or reject it. I want to create a new battle. Price up, create. Ask me how to create it. Confirm. Join battle should only be available for the people. Actually, I'll block that later in the UI. Fuck it. It doesn't matter if they can join it right now because this is just Super Sandbox, which is totally fine. All right, so now we need to add some logic to start the battle. We're in battle items. So where the fuck are the battle items? Battle items, battle items. Where are ya? What am I doing? Accept and reject. Oh, right. Okay. We want the accept and reject to do things. So let's create a function. Const. Accept battle. And reject battle.